Lympung Lehkai sport jengki kena Skul, Iaka belak tip kum ke district level inter-school athletic meet arjar arfundreu, jengko Bhoi district kalak Sdang mendakasing ke arpu artrik wiyayong, haka bawa Orville Masar additional superintendent of police ke Bhoi, ulah wan berpeli bat penhari kalama jengko ke Lympung, kabelak penyait deka Ophis jengko district sport officer Bhoi district. Iaka ne ke Lympung Lehkai la penolong hamadan NSCA paham sim, bat akan ke Lympung lawan bani simenta hadu subsan teli Skul berper na pok Bhoi district kabel akot ceduk kalai spak san pengut ke kena Skul ke bani simenta ke jing kon berper bat kene ke deru ke sin ke beningkong bagi nongi simenta kin poi ceduk ke hajar ngut akan ke Lympung haswa ban Sdang ke Lympung nagal yang ketena DSO kala penlong ke jing skapjar ke basiminit man Kynmaw Burom ke samla Ritina hanse ke samla kabla kentewi ke Burom juga district hagi kami Lehkai sport ke badang syuklatian naga jinja accident. Hagane Sngi la idon langru daun Narayan Upadaya IPS ke Kong Desi Marwing coach atletik na directorate of sport jong jela district sport officer ke Bhoi ba Bobby El Nongbet ke nohikai lambat kiwi hagine gilai Sngi on punlong ye bunjai ki jing Lehkai ki kunthop ke jing kop mare hagi benta ba per ke jing kop jom kum ka high jump long jump shot put lambat ke javelin throw bat kiwi
To inform you that the district sports office, Bhoi district, had just organized the first inter-school athletic meet at Kynmaw earlier last month, and it has served as an introductory and beneficial to many schools who have never participated in such a competition at the sub-divisional capacity. This has served as a huge platform and inspiration to many potential athletes who has interest in the field of athletics. I would like to sincerely thank our respected DC, our SDO, Civil Kynmaw and Western Bhoi Division for their support and guidance in the successful conduct of the athletic meet at Kynmaw. However, now we are at the district level, and here the level of competitors is higher and tougher. The district level inter-school athletic meet through these many past years has been a source of platform to many athletes to exhibit and showcase their performance and ability in the various events of the competition. Some has done so well to impress at this level to be selected to represent the district at the state level, which then opens up their opportunities further to become state athletes to present the national level athletic competitions. Just recently, the performances of Ms. Melibart Crow and Risha Klein at the Khelo India Games 2026 was very impressive and also has done the state proud by winning the bronze medals. This is huge for our district and our state. So, apparently, many potential athletes have been produced from this district level inter-school athletic meet conducted by the office every single year. And even this year, I can assure you that many more potential athletes will emerge. That I'm very positive. So, at this edition of the athletic meet, a total of 40 aspiring schools, that is 1,350 participants will be competing in all 48 events of this athletic meet. And so this is a record for us in this edition of the athletic meet. And I also believe the competition at this edition is going to be very, very challenging. So I am also proud to inform you that maximum of our athletes has been recruited at various departments. Recently,
school na di lepas Edmonds na Shillong dari kapor Lehkai nastrat dari kapor habis shong kelas lathai dari bayo Lehkai baru sisi shong kelas sisi ngathai ngakbenda ngathai strat baru ngathai mokiru lesi dia lat nasi bung shong dia baru sisi damyo dakam lichi mun khatat ngathai da bus ki lights hene ngathai kini strat ba dia menishim bung dengan kabu kamtam berkinyo Lehkai strat perlok kumiyong i dia suruh hagajing Lehkai dia long fair Pidi benyelong Lehkai ru dakum ki rules ki an jongka department ka bagalabo namar bona piru lese na subudud hi namar kumiyong isa ngamne ba na prengjong piru bon ha ki ba tibet Lehkai ha haki bibi kamare bibi hakai hakno nuru pi sutui mata ba department ka state government jungi mata ka yarap ha students ka support by students kamta mata ba kiladan shidan ki national games kadan state games te akwa e biru kinong encourage wo Lehkai be nakaman sim lada fi job ne lada fi ram ne kam ne le ye kono no kam ka le ha chigim lada fi le da kam sim da fi le da bisa ko jingmot makan le be ka babaha kan wani ka so ka bathian tata di ka discipline ka bahikai ngi na do dam re lada film discipline ha Lehkai long discipline hi ka chigim ru long discipline le bha ye mare bha number ba nathai do na prengjung ki ru lese ki ko bani dalang bangi ha police department ngidan kam digi nong mare ru ki batbet na madar fi me mare kloi tu nong tu la phan le ka ham jinjang i ko ai fi ru ba kin kham pe pin pe yang mata ru ngathang i ko bi em thai mangala be em to nong tu nya fit kumangam da singan batay ngan ai dialogue ni sibon yela dia pat ngam la tang kiu two steps na thai katar bandan kata ka Burom ka manhi te makiru kunjui na shai sin da people join the department jungiru kina pit kamare kata usah please come on strict ba kamare na ba pikwa papindan nani bi hap kadas kuno 3 km 4 km na mare kata sim serious ye ka sports chongki na marka ka por ka bastra do ketika por muta por school jung ketika por ka bistar nak do por ba Kynmaw baru si jingim he represent man the school ne ku masjid South League schools compare la da fi one top la da fi one bottom tang ba pilai Lehkai da kamansin ki organizers na department ro ki berashim stam man long ini program kadang dia skiru ki sutana tempe ikna samla